to my channel. There are so many ways of cooking in Asia, but today I'm going to share with you 6 major cooking methods that are most commonly used in Asian cooking. While some of the cooking methods are more prevalent in Asian cooking, such as stir-frying, some of them are actually commonly used in both Western and Asian cooking, although the exact way of cooking may vary to a certain degree. Now, let's have a closer look at each of these cooking methods. Number 1. Stir-frying. Stir-frying means ingredients are fried in a small amount of very hot oil while being stirred or toasted in a wok. A stir-fry dish typically consists of 4 important components: protein, vegetables, spices, and sauce. The most commonly used spices include garlic and ginger. Popular stir-fry dishes include stir-fry scallop with broccoli and kung-pao chicken. It is also common for Asians to add carbohydrates to the stir-fry dish, such as pad thai, stir-fry rice noodle with beef, and all sorts of fried rice. Number 2. Steaming. Steaming heats and cooks food using the hot steam from boiling water. Apart from steaming vegetables, it is very common for Asians to steam eggs and meat and serve them as a dish. In China, steamed fish with spring onion and soy sauce, steamed prawn with garlic and glass noodles, and steamed pork patties are very popular dishes. While in Japan, chawa mushi, which means savory steamed egg in a teacup, is also well liked by many Asians. On top of that, many Chinese dim sum are cooked by steaming. The most popular ones include roast pork bun, various types of rice rolls, sticky rice with chicken wrapped in lotus leaf, siu mai, and prawn dumplings. Rather than having a steamer at home, many households in Asia simply use a wok to do the steaming. How to do it? First, we place the steam rack in the middle of the wok. Then, we add water and put the dish on the steam rack. We switch on the heat and then cover the wok with a lid. This is how many Asians steam their food. Number 3. Boiling or simmering. Apart from boiling vegetables, Asians particularly like eating hot pot. Hot pot originated in China more than 1,000 years ago and has spread to different parts of Asia, including Korea, Japan, Vietnam, etc. Hot pot is a flavorful broth served inside a large metal pot placed on the dining table. The broth is brought to boiling and left simmering for the rest of the meal. People then put the raw ingredients, such as sliced meat and vegetables, into the simmering broth to cook it. The cooked pieces are dipped into dipping sauces for additional flavor. There are so many varieties for the dipping sauces, and they vary across different countries and regions. In other words, when people are having hot pot, they are technically cooking and eating at the same time. Number 4. Stewing. Stewing refers to a dish of meat and vegetables cooked slowly in simmering liquid in a pot for a long period of time. It is common in both the Western culture and Asian culture. For example, people in China stew beef briskets, lamb briskets, and ducks in water or broth, mixed with different sauces together with different spices. Number 5. Roasting. Roasting involves hot air covering the food, cooking it evenly on all sides with a high temperature from an open flame, oven, or other heat source. While roasting meat in an oven is very common in the West, people in Asia roast meat in a big round metal case with fire burnt underneath. One example is Cantonese roasted meat from southern China. Different meats including pork, duck, and goose are roasted in this way, and each part of meat had its own unique marinade and taste. Besides, crispy Peking duck from northern China is also roasted in the same way. When it comes to India, tandoori chicken is a popular roasted dish. The word tandoori actually means marinated meat being cooked over an intense fire in a tandoor, which is a clay oven. Number 6. Deep frying. Undoubtedly, deep frying is common in both the West and in Asia. As you may already know, it involves submerging the food in very hot oil, and the food is usually coated with starch or batter. The food will have a golden brown exterior with a crispy texture under this cooking method.
Popular deep-fried dishes include tempura, salt and pepper tofu, deep-fried oyster pancakes, etc. In Asia, it is also very common that we stir-fry after deep-frying the meat. The famous sweet and sour pork is a good example. First, we deep-fry the pork. After that, we stir-fry the deep-fried pork with peppers, onions, pineapple, and the sweet and sour sauce. Another dish using the same cooking method is spicy Korean fried chicken.
Well, so these are the 6 major Asian methods that I want to share with you. As I have mentioned at the start of this video, there are numerous cooking methods in Asia and I simply cannot include all of them in one single video. If you like this video, remember to check out my other videos under Asian Cooking 101 and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye!